Looking for a way to make your perfume product stand out on the market? Look no further than the CPM 100H Thermal Transfer Printer. In this video, we'll show you how to print, laminate, and cut stunning silver and gold perfume labels using only one machine that are sure to impress your customers. CMYK CPM 100H is lightweight, durable, and easy to operate. Perfect for serious businesses that want to create high-quality labels quickly and easily. It has easy-to-use software that allows you to customize your labels and change them as frequently as you want. It also has multiple color tape rolls and ink ribbons that let you produce full-color CMYK 400 DPI print. After printing, CPM 100H will laminate the labels to make it durable, scratch-proof, UV and waterproof. Then, it will automatically cut any shape freely to suit your signs and labeling needs. This printer is a professional-grade thermal transfer printer with vinyl cutting technology that is perfect for printing product labels, barcodes, signages, and other variable data. So, don't miss out on the chance to elevate your labels and create a lasting impact on your customers. With us, you are always a step ahead. To know more about full digital label printing and finishing solutions, visit www.labelgraff.com. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.